Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. Back in the day, we picked up a ton of OCP flak jackets. I wanted to get most of the colors: red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple. They didn't even have purple, I don't think. Actually, maybe they did. But today, we got another pair of OCP flak jackets, the originals. These are Team Bright Green with Polarized Black Iridium. We're gonna unofficially unbox and review these, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. As always, check out our other videos, especially the non-Oakley related, because that is some of our greatest content, I promise you. So check out our other videos, and definitely check out my book. If you haven't read this yet, you definitely want to take the time to read it, because even if you're not a reader, even if you hate reading, you'll love this book. Tremendous amount of positive feedback, motivational, educational, inspirational. It's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money and how to get free stuff. And yes, it's totally legit. And it's a great and fun and entertaining read. Links for this are going to be below in the description. Also, the link for Rakuten is going to be down there. So if you guys are not familiar with Rakuten, you get cash back on stuff that you're going to buy anyway, including Oakleys off of eBay, Oakley.com, and Oakley SI. So I'm going to link that down below in the description. And there's a cashback bonus just for signing up, 100% free. So check that out as well. But let's check out these flak jackets right now. Again, OCP, Oakley Custom Program. We've got our official O Custom box here. And what I like about this particular pair, again, it's Team Bright Green, and I don't believe, I could be wrong, but I don't believe that the Team Bright Green frame was ever available other than through OCP for the flak jackets. So you got your warranty registration paperwork in there. We've already seen that. Looks like we just got the plain HDO, or high definition optics microfiber bag here. And this is back when the microfiber bags were still soft. The ones now are, I don't want to call them abrasive, but they're almost abrasive. They're luxottica trash for sure. Look at that beautiful hue. Team Bright Green there. Bright, vibrant green frame. Now, obviously, this isn't going to be good to wear with anything and everything, but with certain attire, it's going to match well. Come on in so we can see this. You've got your Oakley stretch logo here in silver on the nose bridge. It's a nice little detail there. You got the polarized etching on the bottom corner of the left lens. And of course, that's left as you're wearing it. Now, I'm going to say this too. I regret not having done these in the XLJ version. There's going to be a little bit of gap under the eyes. It's hindsight, right? When it comes to the flak jackets, the collection here is comprised of probably about 90% standard, 10% XLJ. I wish I would have done the opposite. If I could go back, I would have did 90%, or at least 80%, 80 to 90% XLJ, 10 to 20% standard. I like to have that little variation in the collection. These are still good, but not as good as the XLJ in my opinion. But we finished this, of course, with black unobtainium for the ear socks and nose bombs, gunmetal icons, which are a very dark gray, almost black, but not quite. What else do we got here? I always like the flak jackets. They seem to fit well. Let's give these a close-up here before ending the video. I'm going to actually, hang on, let's position these a little bit. Maybe this would be a good thumbnail, huh? Is that a good thumbnail? Maybe. Flak jackets are beautiful. Classics. You can still buy the replacement lenses as of now when this video is being shot here in 2026. Still purchase the replacement lenses on Oakley.com, which is a little surprising, seeing as how the original flak jackets have been discontinued for years. But maybe we'll give these a quick try on. Never been tried on before, guys. So I always like to put my Oakley, well, usually I like to put the nose bombs on here, and just slide them down the side of my head. That way I don't pull the frames and put stress on the ear stems or the temple here. But you can see, just like my other videos, a little bit of a gap underneath, not a whole lot, but overall, great glasses. I wish I would have done the XLJs in this version. I really wish I could buy the lenses, but I'm gonna have to buy a whole lot of black Iridium polarized replacement lenses, and it's gonna be a lot of money. Anyway, let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.